In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics and create a Google Analytics code for your KW website. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Jonathan Subach. I provide digital marketing services and help local real estate agents get found on Google. If that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. So this is a new series that I'm producing on the website. It's going to be called Elevate Your Command. It's providing tips and tricks on how to add digital marketing components to your KW Command websites. If that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel. Make sure you ring the bell so you're notified every time we post new videos on this channel. And if you would like more information about our digital marketing services, there's a link in the description to set up a discovery call with me where we'll go over your goals for the year and how we might be able to be a good fit for your business. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and jump over to the computer screen and we'll get started setting up Google Analytics today. Okay, so now that I'm on my computer, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics code for your KW Command website. So the very first thing is once you've logged into KW Command, you'll go down here to Consumer, click on Consumer, and that'll open up your consumer website editor. From here, if you've already converted over to the new agent website, this is what your interface will look like. If you haven't done that yet, you're going to need to update to the new agent website before moving forward with this video. But from here, you're going to go to edit my website and we're going to click on that. That's going to open up a new tab and it's going to open up the KW website editor. So in here, you'll see you have the your welcome page here where you could go and check out your website, and then a quick start here where you could set up a blog post, custom pages, landing pages, and then they have these two HTML widget forms that they've set up real quick. You can change what this looks like by clicking the gear wheel here, and then down here at the bottom, these are all of the pages that you've published on your website. So now, if I come up here to the little 3-line menu option here in the corner, I'll click on this. It'll give me an option of going, this is our dashboard. So this is the first menu item. And then under admin, organization site, that's going to open up this settings page for your KW Command website. And right down here, you'll see Google Analytics tracking code, and you'll paste the code in right here. So to get the Google Analytics code, you'll come over here and you're going to go to analytics.google.com. And we're going to click enter here. And then it's going to load up your page. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you go to analytics.google.com, you want to make sure that you're logged into whichever profile you want to use to set up this Google Analytics code. So now I'm using my KW email address to set up this Google Analytics account. And right here in the very center, start measuring. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is create a account here. So the very first thing I need to do is give it an account name. I'm going to call it the KW Command website. And then down here at the bottom, you just have to select Google data sharing settings. Just read through each one of these and see which one you're okay with, and then click next on here. Now the property details, I'm going to give this the same KW Command website. This is actually to set up a universal analytics property that's no longer functioning. That was stopped back in July 1st, 2023. So I just want to double check here. I'm going to change this to New York time. So it's in our time zone. US dollars here is correct. So I'm going to click next. Business details, industry category. I'm going to choose real estate. I'm going to choose small business. Click next here. And then I want to generate leads as my business objective. And I'm going to create. Then I just have to read the terms of service agreement here. Choose accept. And then choose a platform. You could do web. And then if you want to type in your website URL, you can do so up here. So for me, that's Jonathan subach.kw.com. My KW command website is going to be my stream name. And then I'm going to do enhanced measurements here and create stream. Now this is the measurement ID. This is the one that I'm looking for over here. So I'm going to just copy that. And then I'm going to come back over here to the tab that has my organization site settings. I'm going to come down to Google Analytics. I'm going to paste that code in here, and I'm going to choose save. That's it. That's all we needed to do. So now the Google Analytics tracking code is installed on your website. Now with KW Command, it may take a few days before your analytics starts receiving data from your KW Command site, but that's everything that you needed to do at this time to go ahead and start collecting data from your website so you can start seeing insights into site traffic, what pages are visited on your website and stuff. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions about this, you could always leave a comment down below this video, and I'll do my best to answer those either in the comments or by creating a new video. Thank you so much for watching this. And again, if you got value out of this, please consider smashing the like button so this video gets more views and is shown to more KW agents out there watching these types of videos. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe to our channel and make sure you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.